My name is Anaya Gordon, and my scientist today is Florence Bascom. She was born on July 14th in 1862 in Williamstown, Massachusetts, and she originally did not want to be a geologist, but she went on a trip with her father and his friend, who is a geology professor in Ohio State. And due to the fact that she was born in a male-dominant society, she was forced to be behind the projector when studying at Johns Hopkins University to prevent the distractions of like the boys, so the boys won't get distracted. Okay, and her career history is she was the second woman to earn her PhD in the United States, and she was an expert in mineralogy and petrography. She was also the first woman hired by the Geological Survey in 1996. She was also the first woman to present a paper before the Geological Society of Washington in 1901. She also paved the way for many women when she was elected to the Council of the Geological Society of America, and another woman wasn't elected for that position till 21 years after her being elected. Some of the research she's known for is her contributions to the understanding of the mountain building process. She was an educator and taught at the newly formed Hampton Institute for Negroes and American Indians. Her attribution to science. She wrote a journal called The Structures that identified various rock structures founded by the volcano. She also contributed to the special type of identification for acidic volcanoes. Her studies are still used today in Piedmont and are utilized by geologists working in that area. Come closer. Here are some of her mentors. It includes Edward Orton, which was her father's friend. Of course, her father, who was also a professor, and Roland Irving, which was one of her masters. And over here, we have one of her famous quotes before she passed away. The fascination of any search after the truth lies not in the attainment, but in the pursuit. One finds a joy that is beyond expression in sounding the abyss of science and the secrets of the infinite mind. Unfortunately, Florence Bascom passed away from a stroke, but she is still being remembered because they named an asteroid after her, as well as she has a hallway built in her name in Washington, D.C.